Good evening, teacher. We are the group 9. We integrate by 4 students, by Abraham Serrano Monani, by Elias Aldivar Quispe, by Alexander Kamalanina, and by Paul Martin Meneses Sonko. And I am going to talk about the introduction to plagiarism in the university academy. Plagiarism as a practice that violates the essence of university life in its defense foundation. And research on the one hand and mountains of risk of the value of honesty and respect for others in intellectual productions. The next issue, please. And what is plagiarism? Plagiarism, from the Latin plagiar, kidnapping, is defined as a copy substantially works others, giving them as their own. This paragraph we can find in the dictionary of the Spanish language in the 22nd and 3rd edition. Therefore, plagiarism is clear violation of research ethics. So scientific that if committed intentionally, it is considered improper conduct. And plagiarism is a highly complex phenomenon, not only because of this relationship with intellectual property, but also because of the consequence that it entails and that usually fall on the student through sanctions that range from verbal and public reprimand to expulsion. However, plagiarism had generally been viewed from perspective and assumes that the problem lies with the students and not with the entire academic community involved. So plagiarism is a phenomenon that worries the academic community. Various factors explain the cause of the problem, but one of the most prominent is related to the academic writing process. This article presents the results of research in the internet about the plagiarism. In this factor, we obtained it from interviews or we researched about the often from interviews with professors and students. According to the teacher or the scientifics, they define it. The problem of the plagiarism writing is due to the poor training of the students and the habits cultivated at the school. That's all, teacher. For me, we passed to my partner to expose the next paragraphs.
Good evening, teacher. Continue exposés. My name is Alexander Kamala. Slide 4. To reason why plagiarism is condemnable and consequently is sanctioned by the university. 1. The first is that plagiarism is equivalent to refusing to taint. 2. The second consists of the faculty in which players don't delight the progress of the whole life of humanity. 3. Truly is much the into account that the true reason the trade of the university is thinking to make knowledge progress. 4. Finally, a fundamental aspect is to consider that players is the high work contrary in wording, slide, narrative, grammatical uses, etc. Within the text 6. Inconsistency is the logical development of the word. 7. Inconsistency between ideas, theories, hypotheses, etc. present they inconsistency in the bibliography and cited sources. 9. Inconsistency in the presentation format, for example, existence of the pines brands, incorrect existence of the different styles of the font size, etc. Existence of numbers non-consecutive times number, etc. 10. Datic inconsistency. Thank you, teacher. Past exposition.
Good evening. To avoid plagiarism, we summarize the measures that according to him as one indicates a minimum of information copied textually. A teacher can indicate, for example, that you will not accept more than 10 citations is a 10-page paper, and that each direct quote should not have more than 5 lines. That will force the students to synthesize and put into words the required information. You can achieve a balance between these sources from the internet and from books. For example, 3 websites and 3 books that will force the student to do more words or receive it and not really solely. And you can demand that all academic will be delivered in digital that will allow you the subject the magic to some of anti-hating filter. Thank you, teachers.
Good night, teacher. My name is Elias Aldivar Quispe. If we wait Ox placing conclusion and recommendation. In academic practice, tailors constitute communicative. In the textual production, topics are implies. In general, it is difficulties to fix tags and entering word. If copies. Tags are not unfinished or are resistant in problems. Second way shows informations 70 ambros citation, protocols, advertise, elaboration, or paraphrasing. Such as limiting inte handlings or the wording content. No leads to pricing or the under and the fundamental time is under to paraphrasing. Anything stability in relation to forest texts answers. Next, in well short references. Tags web answers. Thank you, Max.